polio vaccine clinics begin today in Rockland County after the first case in a decade was just identified in the area.
News 12's Lisa LaRocca is at the Rockland County Health Department in Pomona. Lisa, what is the county saying about all of this?
Oh, well, listen, Amy, Lisa, there are people who remember what it was like back in the 50s. People were lined up, they said, in school, and you had to get the shots, and people were very frightened of it when there was that big outbreak. But thanks to vaccines, like you said, more than a decade, we haven't seen it. So Rockland County health officials are saying, look, if you are not fully vaccinated or vaccinated against polio, you need to get your shot here today. According to the county health commissioner, an unvaccinated young adult is now paralyzed from polio. The word is the person had not been out of the country, but state health officials who are also working on this case say they believe the patient contracted the illness from someone who had received an oral polio vaccine overseas. Now, in that oral vaccine, they use a strain of weakened polio virus, and that can sometimes cause an infection. For that reason, the oral vaccine was discontinued in the U.S. back in 2000. Now, polio is a very contagious viral disease that could affect the neurological system, causing muscle weakness and in some cases results in paralysis or death. And that paralysis cannot be reversed. It is permanent once that happens. So Rockland County officials say we can't have what they call vaccine hesitancy. People need to get these shots. They say that's exactly what caused the measles outbreak. Remember that? Measles outbreak in Rockland County a couple of years ago, another illness that had been basically eradicated thanks to the vaccine. So county health records actually showed 80% of people who contracted measles during that outbreak, they were not vaccinated.
The reason why polio is rarely seen is thanks to the wide availability of safe and effective vaccines.
So polio clinic vaccine clinic will be held here at the Pomona Health Complex today from 10 to noon, and then again on Monday from 1 to 4. We have more information on that on our website. Just log on news12.com. Coming up in just a little bit, I'm going to talk a little bit more about polio, the signs to look for, how you can get it, and again, protect yourself simply by getting these vaccines. We're in Pomona. Let's go back to the studio.